What is Video Marketing Blaster? Video Marketing Blaster is a great keyword searching tool. This tool will help you to find low competition keyword. As a result, you can rank your videos in various platforms like YouTube. This tools will permit you to select the low competition keyword and copy them. As a result, your video will rank high on search engines. So let's talk about its advantages and disadvantages. Advantages of Video Marketing Blaster. 1. You can easily rank your videos on Google and YouTube. 2. It will help you to understand what tags or keyword other people are using to rank their videos. 3. It will help you to compete with high-ranking videos. 4. It will help you to find low-competition keyword. 5. You can find your videos on ranking page just only 3 clicks. 6. You can analyze your competitor. 7. You can generate title, DESC and tags. 8. You can track rank for unlimited videos. 9. You can create insane conversions. 10. You can get millions of YouTube view and top rankings with one-click software. Disadvantage of Video Marketing Blaster. 1. VMB can't give you watch time report. Conclusion. I experienced that VMB has more advantages and less disadvantages. To get better experience, VMB Pro version is recommended. In the Pro version you will get more features and better results. It will help you to understand where to work or where not for ranking and also save your time. So make the decision to buy this software now and be the first ranker on the search engines.